Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for CEE. First, thoroughly analyze the CEE biology syllabus to understand its scope. Identify topics that carry significant weightage, as these require more focused attention. Additionally, reviewing question papers from previous years will help you recognize recurring patterns and important areas. This foundational step is crucial for building an effective and targeted study strategy, ensuring you cover all essential concepts efficiently and strategically. To master biology, make insert textbooks your primary study material. They are comprehensive and foundational. As you read, create your own concise notes, summarizing key information for easy recall during revision. Visual aids are incredibly powerful. Use diagrams, flowcharts, and illustrations to understand complex biological processes and structures. This active learning approach will deepen your comprehension and make remembering intricate details much simpler and more effective for your CEE preparation. Consistent practice is vital for success. Aim to solve a minimum of 50 multiple-choice questions every day to solidify your understanding and improve speed. Regular revision of all topics is equally important to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting. Furthermore, taking full-length mock tests weekly will simulate exam conditions, helping you manage time effectively and identify areas needing further improvement. This rigorous practice regimen will significantly boost your confidence and performance. Effective time management is key to sustained performance. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily specifically to biology, ensuring consistent progress. It is crucial to maintain a balanced study schedule, incorporating short breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Beyond academics, prioritize your well-being by getting adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours, and maintaining a healthy diet. These habits will keep your mind sharp and body energized throughout your intensive CEE preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.